What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. I'm so happy you guys are here hanging out with me. I literally just took 2 days to clean my house. And it felt so good. Like, usually that's the last thing I'm about, you know, but it really felt good. So, and I also was out here last night just randomly dinking around cleaning. So it also feels better out here. So I'm very happy with that decision. I do have a lot more footage and stuff to go through because I did do a motor swap on the Subaru this past week. Did an EJ swap, and I'm pretty much just, you know, I gotta wait for my turbo to get here, and then that will be a video and you guys will see what went down. I mean, that was a process, so super awesome, and that'll be a great video. I just want to get the turbo put in and fire her up so that we can make that video. If you guys have followed my channel, yeah, I screwed up the Subaru, man. I meticulously maintained that thing, and she was my baby. But it also was at like over 230,000 miles on the original everything, and you know, I drove the car for work, so I was constantly just mobbing. I'll just say it, I'm really surprised that Subaru lasted as long as it did. Like, original head gasket, original everything, you know, there's, yeah, I'm just gonna say that. So, you guys will see the carnage when I get that video out here real soon. I hate it, but I'll have my car back here soon, and it will be awesome because I've been dailying these hot rods, and I'm just a little hot rodded out. But thank goodness it was during the summer, so there was no better time to just rip hot rods around here. But I am ready to get my Subaru back for this winter. I am such a little baby when it comes to driving in the snow, so but I mean, the Subaru handles pretty good in the snow, I'm not gonna lie. I just don't really feel like driving the El Camino in some of the Colorado snows. I live on a giant hill. Like, oh my gosh. Anyways, enough talk. What I was getting to though, I wanted to take a little moment here to just tell you guys how freaking exciting this is. Well, I don't know if it's exciting to you guys, but it is so cool to me. So, if you guys haven't noticed, I put my Amazon wish list in the description on some of my videos, and thanks to some of you guys, which I cannot thank you enough, seriously, for sending me some care packages and, you know, just helping me one step at a time get things to be safer, or to, you know, get things done easier, or to help me stay organized. Like, I can't thank you enough. I just wanted to take a second to kind of open up these and just give a huge shout out to them and make it known that I freaking appreciate it so much, because money is so freaking tight, and I'm not even kidding you. I thought monetization on YouTube was gonna be something so amazing, but it's really not. I get paid more on Facebook than I do from YouTube. Like, I'm just gonna say it. Ain't no hiding here. Ain't no lying. I'm gonna be 100% straight up with you guys. I get paid more from Facebook than I do from all the work that I put into this channel. Like, so much work. Like, oh my gosh. Tons and tons of work. But what's cool about my channel is I'm actually putting in the time and the effort into something that I really want to, you know, and something that's going to be in my family and my kids' lives, and, you know, so I'll have something to gain from all of these hours wasted filming and editing and promoting, and so that works out. Facebook, I mean, I get paid to just post pictures and stuff, so I don't really gain anything from that, you know what I mean? It's not really rewarding. It's not something that I'm like, oh, wake up, I'm gonna make this my day, you know? No, it's not. So I do enjoy YouTube, and hopefully one day, you know, maybe I'll grow and it'll be a lot more worth it. But at the stage right now, this is all just for fun. So, yeah, just bear with me, you guys. I'm gonna try and put out as much as I can, but I'm also not gonna kill myself and exhaust myself. And I have been doing so much lately that at 30 years old, I feel really tired. Every single time I wake up, I feel more tired than when I went to sleep. I'm blabbing because I haven't talked to adults very much lately. So thank you guys for listening, and feel free to comment anything you'd like to add to the conversation. But yeah, gosh, I forgot what I was saying. Anyways, feel free to leave oh yeah, I was saying, I was reading a comment from somebody who said that it'd be cool if I did like a live type of question answer type dealio, and I wanted to pick your guys' brains on that, what you thought. I know a lot of my viewers are from a lot of different places, and I'm not really sure what time would be like, what's a standard time for that type of thing? Like, how do you choose when to do a live, you know? Maybe you guys could give me some advice, and maybe we can make that happen. You know, I'll set something up and we can just chit chat for a bit and get to know each other. So I think that would be really fun and really cool. And yeah, you guys should let me know like what time works for you. When would be a good day to chat with Kirstie? So I am lucky enough to have the most awesome fans, and you guys rock, and oh my gosh, I got care packages, and I'm super excited to open them and see what I got. Honestly, I just feel so loved. I'm totally gonna shout them out right here. I'm just so grateful, and thank you so much. I will absolutely put every single one of these items to use without a doubt. Ooh, yes, a wire cut brush. Coolio, man. That'll make life easy. Heck yeah. Thank you. I will be using that. People are sick of watching me do it all by hand, apparently. And with like the improper tools. Like, oh, this is so amazing. Flapper disc. Like a crap ton of them. Like, do you see how many there are? Like, wow. I can definitely do some damage with those. And I won't have the chance of losing an eye or something. So thank you guys for caring. Like, that means a lot. All right, what is this? Let's play What Could This Be? I don't know if I should have done that. Oh, okay. This package is like beating me up before I even get to it. That's, I don't know. Let's find something to freaking cut this open with. This is no way. Some organization, people. Yes. Oh, this is awesome. Here, hold on. Let me show you guys. Bam. Do you guys know what that is? Freaking storage shelf, man, that you can put your paper towels on. And that's what the shop paper towels are for. He definitely understood the assignment. I'm just gonna whip this bad boy together right now. Real quick. This can't be that hard. Why do I do that? Why? When I have a knife? All right. Oh, it didn't come with the little, there's a little screwdriver? What kind of kit is it come with a screwdriver? Alright. So fun! Alright. There we go. Look at that. Bam! That got a little bent. Good old Amazon shipping. What do you think? Alright. Bam! I love it. We gotta find a good place to mount her. How cool. I just really like paper towels, and I really like shelves. What is this? Ooh. What could it be? Of stuff. That is very cool. This would be the tire repair kit. Oh my gosh, how convenient, because I am always like so scared blowing a tire out on the L because I don't have spares for backs and it is just essential. Wow, freaking cool. This is awesome. It comes with all of those. Ooh, that smells. Ooh. We'll save that for the tire. But then these things. And I did watch my dad do this a few times. So, super cool. I have never done it myself though. I'm gonna watch a couple more videos before I try anything like that. But it is a great thing to have and to know how to do. So. Yeah, I don't even know what the heck that is, so need to read these instructions. Such a great item. Can't thank you enough, man. Seriously. Like, you never know when you're gonna make my day, but one of these days, you're gonna make my day because I'm gonna have this when I need it, and that is a great feeling. So, thank you, like I said, for caring and thinking about my safety, and you know, truly is just so nice, so sweet. Thank you guys again so much for these things. And one at a time, you'll see I'll probably be putting each and every one of them to use in my videos. Now, I think I need to get something done. Even something small, I'm gonna get it done. It might not be the most amazing thing, but it's gonna be something because I cannot sit still and oh my gosh, I just want to get something done. You know what I mean? We're getting so close. There's just little things that I could be doing, so I'm gonna film them. We'll throw it in with this video, and I hope you guys understand and enjoy it. And you guys rock. Let's roll. Alright, so I accomplished some more of this Kilmat. As you guys can see, we got the inside of both doors. We have the full roof done. And we have most of all of the floor pans covered. And the trans tunnel is looking pretty good. I have 4 pieces left, and I've kind of decided that I should wait to just lay those 4 pieces down because I do know that I need to drill seat holes, the bracket holes for the seats. So yeah, I might just, avoid drilling through that Kilmat layer because that doesn't sound too fun. So I'm just gonna hold off right there. I think that's a good stopping point. Yeah, I wonder what else I can do. Let's see. I found a few more interior trim pieces while I was cleaning up my shop, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash these down and get these painted the same as my other interior panels that I've done. Ooh! I thought I had gotten them all done, but I didn't. You know, but these are the little things that nobody realizes that, you know? Thank you guys so much for just taking the time to hang out with me and have a conversation. I really hope you guys understand that even the littlest steps can add up to some serious progress. You know what I mean? So thanks for understanding, and I have some serious content to drop soon. I hope you guys stick around. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I will catch you all around very soon.